How do you felt, Elena, like you went for this restoration? How was your review about our center and our way of working?
It's very fast and it's not stressful. Like when it's not real, it's less stressful actually.
Okay.
Yes, I felt much better. And
Much better.
Yes, and it's, I don't feel now even the teeth. It's just perfect.
And were you thinking, like previously you were thinking of root canal, like it might land up in root canal.
Yes.
So how do you felt like we work with microscope and laser? How much, how much confident you are right now that this is the way it has to be done, and how comfortable it was? How much confident you are about this technology what we have used?
Yeah, I feel very good. I feel
Very good.
much better than before.
Before, huh?
Yes.
And it's the best way to bypass root canal, do you think?
Yeah, I think yes. It's the best way.
Best way.
Yes.
I think so. We would have used drills also, then we would have landed up in root canal.
Yes, I think that could happen.
So you feel much more comfortable.
Yes. I didn't want the root canal. This is much better.
Much better, huh?
Yes.
Thank you, Luna. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.